ক্লাছত ঠিক আছে. Which question? Which one? Okay. Question number 9. A, B, C, D are in GP. Prove that these are in GP, right? No? Okay. Did you attend class online that day, other day, previous day? Online, did you attend? Okay. So, what you have done? Yes, last class. We are doing APGP, then permutation combination will start, right? PNC will start. Okay. So this question, right? So today we'll discuss about this. We'll discuss about the permutation and combinations, right? So before that, you want me to solve these questions, no? Which is this. So before we start permutation combination, we'll start this question. That is page number 46 and okay, question number 9. Question 9, page 46. If ABCD are in GP, then so if ABCD are in GP, okay, to prove question number 1. These are options, right? Right, these are options. Okay. Now, since ABCD are in GP, therefore B by A equal to C by B equal to D by C. We know this, right? Second term by first term is equal to third term by second term is equal to fourth term by third term, right? So therefore, just we can use K. So we'll be writing is equal to K. Say, well, okay, we are letting this is equal to K. So what is B? AK, A into K. Then what is C? B. C, if you want to find out C, you have to multiply this B with K. So C is equal to BK, right? But you don't need to keep B as B because we know the value of B. B value kiman? B value, in the first case we got the value of B. B is equal to AK. So yeah, the B to be replaced. AK into K. So is equal to be AK square. Similarly, D is equal to CK. But C value already you got AK square. So C value AK square K, that means AK3. Then, right, so you got the value. Okay, what is the value? A will be A only, B will be AK, C will be AK square, D will be AK cube. All the values are written in terms of what? A, right? So which option is correct, right? A square plus B square plus C square plus D square. So that you need to check. So B square by C square by A square. Okay. So option 1. 1 by 1 you have to check. Right? B square plus C square divided by second term by first term by A square plus B square. Right? What is this? So B value we know. What is B value? AK. No? So it will be A square K square. C value is given. C value is AK square. So it will be A square K to the power 4. If we square it. So we must C2 square ko do A square K4. Now A square will remain A square. B square means this B. B means AK. AK square means A square K square. Done. We can take A square out. you can take a square common, right? A square common lower pari. A square if you take common, so it will be k square plus k4, right? If you take a square, k square I can, if I take common, I cannot take common from that denominator. So okay, ঠিক আছে, k square common লৈ লম. এটা benefit হ'ব k square common ললে. There will be one benefit. What is that? That a square k square if I take common, so 1 plus k square will be there. Denominator if I take a square common, 1 plus k square will be there. So this one will get cancelled out. A square will get cancelled out. So it's k square. Right? Right? So second term by first term is equal to k square. Now let us check that third term by what? Second term. Right? Yeah, take over. Right. Okay. Second term by third term by second term. This is second term and third term is what? C square plus d square. Now c square plus d square divided by b square plus c square. Right? So this is equal to, right, okay, b value is there. B value is what? AK. So a square k square, and c value is given. C value is a square k4. Done. C square is a square k4. Right. D value is a square k6. Done. Hobo. Now from denominator we can take a square k square out. 1 plus k square. From numerator we can take a square k4 out, right? Is equal to 1 plus k square. This one will get cancelled out. A square will get cancelled out. This one will get cancelled out. Is equal to k square. Right? So therefore option 1 is correct. Okay. Now option 1 to 2 obviously correct. Now you have seen that b square by second term by first term, third term by second term is correct. So this may be wrong. So we can check that also. Maybe the answer should have been right, option A and B. If B is correct. B2 check korisila. Is it correct? Nai kora. We'll check this. No. Check kori desu. B2. Huh. Is it done? So option B2 check korim etia. What is option B? B square. Exactly same, right? Exactly same. Only minus is there. Yeah, a square minus b square. So you can check here only, right? You can check here, right? Here to the, okay. If I put a minus sign here minus. So k square, only k square will be left out, right? Here to the minus again, this will be minus, this will be minus. So minus is not affecting all this side. You can take common. Even though minus is there, you can take common. Here minus will be there, it will be cancelled. So option A and B both are correct. Right? Done? So there is a mistake in these questions. So we'll just start permutation combination. Because okay, let's start permutation combinations. Right? Permutations. Okay? from n objects so from n objects you have to take r at a time ever tumi r lebo khujisa right denike dhara 10 cards ase different cards ase dhara 10 different cards ase you have to take 4 cards right so how many different arrangement can be possible see permutation is nothing but arrangement of numbers or letters objects so kiman dhorone we can arrange it okay now so you have got numbers number card 1 2 3 up to 10 distinct number cards are there so you have to take 4 cards at a time how many arrangements are possible so in case if we start doing this it becomes a very big problem like it will take lots of time to do this kile prothome tumi 1 lobo para etu card lobo para then 2 lobo para second card 3 lobo para 4 lobo para 1 you can take 1 you can take 3 you can take 4 you can take 5 so similarly you can keep on making a group of 4 4 4 like this right and remember one thing that this way if the objects are very less যদি অবজেক্টটো বহুত কম থাকে তেতিয়া your arrangement will be very less that's not a problem ধৰা তোমাৰ হাতত তিনটা ডিজিট আছে 1 2 3 তুমি 2 ডিজিট নাম্বার বনাব লাগে 2 ডিজিট নাম্বার তেতিয়া it's quite simple কেলে because your objects are less so তুমি 2 ডিজিট নাম্বার বনালে এটা 12 হ'ব এটা কি হ'ব 13 হ'ব এটা কি হ'ব 21 also possible if you change the order 12 and 21 both are different okay 23 also an arrangement 32 also an arrangement 31 also an arrangement then so you have done all possible done yeah so the moment we keep on increasing this one right then your arrangement will keep on increasing and it becomes relatively difficult right so therefore we just use simple formula for this now what is permutation arrangement of object or numbers right but one thing in permutations changing of the place will give us a new arrangement mane ki mane order to change korile we get a new arrangement say both of you are attending classes say you are representing this institute for quiz competitions both of you now if we from the group out of these two so whether I write your name first or your name second or I write name your first or your second that means if we change our name of your places whether we are going to get a new team or a same team that means in this case changing order we are not getting new arrangements right so that type of arrangements are not permutations like arrangement permutation nahoy right it is a digital kotha kolo just now we are discussing about digits so that's a question of what that's a question of permutations remember what is a permutations and what is a combination means it's simply a combinations order will not make any sense in a combination order kono place nai tar mane permutation ki hoy jodi order to change kora you get a new arrangement আর তুমি কোনটো permutation হবো কোনটো combination হবো question to just read korle gom paba mane main funda is that if you change their positions you should get a new arrangement right এটা ধরা we are going to form words with the help of the letters ABC assuming that the word may have meaning or without meaning aru yate ami match korote meaningful word or kono place nai right just we are writing words with or without meaning so we have to form two letters word keta word hobo soda just now we have done soda ki word hobo dekhila etu ta beleg word hole nai this to a beleg word different words therefore it's a question of permutations so what is not permutations A, B, C, name of 3 students. A, B, C are name of 3 students, right? We have to form the school to mark kole je tumar hata 3 student ase which is good in quiz. Tumi duta representing 2 students, you have to form team. How many teams are possible in this case? Only 3 teams are possible, right? A, B, B, C, or C, A. A, B, tumi koa jodi A, B, or B, A, duta team. Would it possible? Not. Duta manhu hole hol. Duta naam likhu. Right? Okay. So therefore, here team will be what? A, B, B, C, C, A. These are the 3 teams. Kele, because A, B, in this case, A, B, B, A, duta same. Kintu yada tumi kobo pariba je this word aru B. Say, our condition will say the word may have meaning, 2 letters word may have meaningful or may not be any meaning. So A, B, B are 2 different words. Right. Jodi moi enekwa letter dilu heten tetia jodi tumi on aru no, both are different words, right? On is a word, meaningful word. No, it's also a meaningful word. Both are different. Could you follow? Yes. So now, what is the formula for permutation? Yate bahut kotha kobo nwari. Okay. So formula for permutation is NPR. It is a formula NPR. N objects of RAM, permutations of R objects. Formula to say n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. Right? N factorial divided by n minus R factorial. So you know the meaning of factorial, right? Huh? Okay. So let's try one question. Okay. Illustration 57 kora. Illustration 57. Determine the arrangement which could be made from the letters of the word apple. Illustration 57. Find the arrangement of the letters of the word apple. A, P, P, L, E. Right? So it's letters of the word apple means you have to take all the letters, right? It's not given that you have to take 2 letters, 3 letters. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the 5 letters, all the 5 you have to take. So therefore, number of arrangement or number of words. Ki hobo? It is I to formula. 5 P P1. 5. 5 P5. But remember one thing. There is a conditions. Here P keta ase. Have you seen repeated objects ase? If repeated objects thake, then arrangement of tak divide koribo lagibo 2 factorial de. Jodi 2 repeated objects thake, you have to divide by 2. So therefore 5p5 mane kiman hobo? Factorial 5 divided by 5 minus 5 mane 0 factorial. At all 2 factorial mane 2. 2 factorial and 2 both are same. Is equal to 0 factorial is 1. And 5 factorial to be 1 into 2 into 5 factorial can kore 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 mane 120, right? It multiply korle hol 120 divided by 2 kiman hobo 16, right? Done. Next arota kora, next kora. Find the number of permutation of the word. Find the number. Other question. More monopra desu. Find the number of permutations of the word find the number of permutation of the word daughter. 5040. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So number of permutation 8p t 8. Yet I think there is no repeated letters, right? Okay. So therefore it will be 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 factorial. Denominator you ignore it because 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 factorial is 1. So 8 factorial. This matter to be 5 factorial. No. 5 factorial means 120. Right. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 120. And 1 or 2 to me multiply 1 2 3 4 5 120 jano karone likhi disu. 8 7 ja 56 into 6 into 120. Multiply kor diya. 4030, right? 6 6 ja 36. 3 carry 5 6 ja 30 into 1 to 0. Okay. Now next, right? Next circular permutations. Circular permutations. Circular permutations. Right. Circular permutation and inequal. Say you are sitting around a round table. Right? These are all linear permutations. They like linear মানে একটা লাইন ধরা আমি এটা ওয়ার্ড লিখিলে কেনেকৈ এটা লাইনত লিখিছো না নাই সদায় এনেকৈ লিখো ৰাইট এই ডটাৰটো এনেকৈ লিখিছো নেকি নাই লিখা ন ৰাইট সো এৰেঞ্জমেণ্ট বুলি ক'লে সদায় আমি এনেকুৱা ষ্ট্ৰেইট এৰেঞ্জমেণ্টৰ কথা উই জাষ্ট নো বাই ডিফল্ট এৰেঞ্জমেণ্টছ আৰ লাইক দিছ but in case arrangements are not like that so there will be another arrangement called circular permutations right so circular permutation I mean thoda around enike hobo gotike ami ei arrangement bila keneke koru right condition 1 number 1 okay likha number of permutations of an object of n objects. Number of permutation of n objects taking all at a time is n minus 1 factorial. Our condition 2. Here n objects mean taking all at a time. Sub local right. So number of permutations when clockwise or anti-clockwise arrangements are not different. When clockwise and anti-clockwise clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are not different. N minus 1 factorial divided by 2. Like clockwise or anti-clockwise arrangements are different hoy so enike arrangement korle jodi beleg hoy tetia hole this one will be n minus 1 factorial aru jodi different no hoy tetia n minus 1 gute arrangement to 2 divide korbe need to divide by 2 likha In how many ways? Etu likha. Illustration 7. Etu. Illustration 58 kora. In how many ways 8 boys can form a ring? How many ways 8 boys can form a ring? Seven factorial, yes. 5040. Well, now, in case of 8 students, why we are using the first conditions? It condition use course, right? Condition wise. Because here clockwise or anti-clockwise arrangements are different. 8 are different boys, all distinct boys, right? Huh? All. So the 8 are all unique boys. So etai lora. Right? So like a computer copy paste lora. Right? Maybe possible after some years, right? Because AI is advancing so much, right? I'm not going for the class, sir. I'm sending my dummy. I do not know whether you are real or other person. Or I have got 2-3 dummies. So for important class I'll be sending them. But you never know, tomorrow it may happen also, right? Advance right? No? Okay. So now, in case of 8 person we are talking about, যদি এনেকে হিহঁতক বহিবলৈ দিও ইয়াতে কি হ'ব কোনোবা এটা লৰাটো প্ৰথমতে বহিব লাগিব ৰাইট ৰাইট তেতিয়ালে এফালে কেটামান বহিলে 4 5 6 7 8 এটা এফালৰ অ্যাৰেঞ্জমেন্ট আৰু এফালৰ অ্যাৰেঞ্জমেন্ট obviously বেলেগ হয় because all are different হয় কিন্তু if we form a necklace with the help of the beads এটা necklace বনালো beads are all unique right হয় নে নহয় তুমি beads to কবাত এটা beads ৰাখি পেলাই যদি necklace to বনোৱা তেতে এফালে necklace to বেলেগ same beads right I am talking about so এফালে arrangement to বেলেগ আৰু এফালে arrangement বেলেগ হ'ব নেকি it will look same right যেটা তুমি এনেকুৱা beads এটা necklace থাকে right have the same beads so is it necessary that we have to wear like this যেনেকে তেনেকে beads to পিনিলে হল because from every way it looks same right okay in case of there is one more question that right in how many ways 8 different beads can be placed in the necklace so in that case ki hobo total arrangement kiman paisila 7 factorial so it will be less it will be 7 factorial divided by 2 so now next combinations so n objects are at a time কি হবো তার কম্বিনেশন টু NCR তাকে আমি এনেকে লিখো NCR আর তাকে এনেকে ক্যালকুলেট করো factorial n minus r factorial into r factorial 1 r will be extra right okay so there are some important properties এটা জানিব লাগিব properties okay মনে ৰাখিবা n number 1 NCN right NCN is always equal to 1 but NPN is not 1, it's always n factorial. It's a very big number, right? Depending on n. NCN is equal to 1. Without going to mathematics or formula, any common sense of why NCN is 1? Any common sense of NCN 1? Kuna. At a group of n student ase, n student. Good class to kotha baba. To me good n hupake loy at a picnic ole. Right. So how many picnic team are arranged? Only one killing, because order to change koi le ekul apna right. Kabak agolo su pisol su gari not kabak agol bohasu pisot bohasu. Does not make any sense. The whole team we are going right. When there will be n objects, if you take all n objects in case of combinations, there will be only one arrangement possible. Or in case of NC0, ki hobo teta? Initially, there always will be an arrangement. I mean, arrangement nokora agote eta arrangement to thakibo na thake. Say you are arranging your rooms. The room is very untidy, and your parents are coming and asking you. Just sometimes you get scolding from parents or not for not arranging rooms. Ketwa gali khuni paisa nai gharo. The rooms are very untidy. Why are you keeping the rooms like this? No. Khunisa nai ketwa. It's very common, right? So already, see this room, how the things are scattered. So only one arrangement is there, maybe very bad arrangement, but still there. Gotike ami arrangement nokora gote hoda eta arrangement thake. Jodi tuma koi je arrange this room. Tumi koba no, yeah, come on, it's very quiet and untidy. I'm not going to arrange the room. It's saying NC0. You are not arranging. You are not taking any objects. Then how many arrangements are possible? One. Here, already it's there. Hoda arrangement already is there. Tomorrow back to books are kept very untidy. And that is also arrangement. Whether good or bad, it's an arrangement or not. Right? To me, back to pretty regular, come on, like it's books are kept so unorganized way. I'm not going to arrange it. Maybe your sister book it happening arrange kore. Me sala dekhla ekdom untidy ke these because I want to kitab arrange na karo. That means you are using this condition NC0. So NC0 means what? You are not doing this work. So I got G2 arrangement thake NC0. But if you use the mathematics also, you'll get the same thing. I'm just using this common sense. NC0 always will be 1. NCN also will be always equal to 1. Done. Okay. So another very important property, NCR always is NCN minus R. Mone rakhiba etu. NCR, NC or n minus R. Dora 5C2. Let's calculate 5C2. 5C2 is calculate karo ki pam. So, right? Factorial 5 divided by 5 minus 2, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Done? So 5C, eta moi 5 aru 2 minus korim. Kiman? 5 minus 2, 3. Yat pati dim. Dekhisa? NC, n minus I. Let's calculate this. So 5 factorial, 5 minus 3, 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Both are same or not? Here 5C2, 5C3 all are same. Right? So NCR, NC, n minus R same. Then 50C, calculate a bigger number, right? Bigger number to be calculate 50C20 or 50C30. You calculate there is 50C20 you can calculate, 50C30 necessarily to be the same values. Why? Because 50C20 is equal to 50C 50 minus 20 is equal to 50C30. Always will be same. Right? Okay. And at Pascal's law, बहुत important है. MCQ right? These 3 properties are written. Important, all are very important, huh? These are all very important. Then next, okay, for Pascal's law. question কৰোঁতে বহুত ইউজ হয় Pascal's law NCR NC n minus r no NC not n minus r NCR minus 1 yes NCR minus 1 NCR minus 1 plus NCR equal to n plus 1 CR এইটোক আমি কম Pascal's law NCR minus 1 NCR equal to n plus 1 CR right so remember one thing while using the Pascal's law khali lower suffix to saba ei duta continuous number hobo lagbo enekwa ধৰা 10C4 আৰু এই দুটা same hobo lagbo 10C5 then only you can use this formula when this numbers to be continuous number 4 or 5 or 5 or 4 same thing so in that case so n it becomes plus 1 so it becomes 11 it becomes 11 and under the lower suffix which one is the bigger r is the bigger we have to write a bigger number a2 so 10C4 plus 10C5 always 11C5 because this number becomes this number becomes greater by 1 here 10 is 10 plus 1 11 hobo lower suffix over bigger suffix you have to write r minus 1 r upper which one is bigger r so you have to write r 4 or 5 upper which one is bigger 5 so you have to write 5 one two more formulas are there but like before that let's okay so let's try questions illustration this one 64 illustration 64 illustration 64 ki ase n plus 1 p 3 is to np2 is equal to 27 is to 9 okay n of value kiman hobo n plus 1 p3 is to np2 is equal to 27 is to 9 n of value kiman tane equal n plus 1 p3 divided by n p2 is equal to 27 by 9 all done so this implies I will be using the formula np2 mane factorial n divided by n minus 2 factorial done all or yet use kora n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 3 that means n plus 1 minus 3 done n minus 2 factorial done is equal to 27 by 9 9 3s are 27 done so n minus a2 or a2 kati diya hobo n minus 2 denominators are same so this equal to n plus 1 factorial divided by or call n factorial equal to 3 thakile only 3 so now from n plus 1 factorial pa tumi n plus 1 to common lobo para n plus 1 factorial pa n plus 1 can be taken out tetia n factorial thaki jabo divided by n factorial equal to 3 etu kota jabo did you understand this etu enake likhছো so common mane ki hoy etu kenake likhibo pare so n plus 1 factorial means what you are multiplying from 1 to n plus 1 5 factorial means what you are multiplying 1 2 3 4 up to 5 here pa moi jodi bhabu no I am not going to multiply up to 5 moi 4 leke multiply korim right tetia mok 5 to na lage so 5 I will take out 5 to moi a factorial opera out kori dilu right? Then what will be left out? Yes, multiply up to 4 factorial. 5 to asay amar hatot. So similarly, n plus you don't need to multiply up to n plus 1. Say you don't want n plus 1 to be out from the factorial. So just take it out. Teta tumi ki holeke multiply koriba? N factorial leke. That's what. So you will cancel out. N plus 1 equal to 3. So n is equal to 2. This is your answer. N equal to 2. Hold. Yes. Okay, find a number of 5-digit number that can form without use etu kora. Illustration 70. Illustration 70. Illustration 70. Kora? 70. So see, class how could not occur in Karo? Is it done? Okay. The online student, with illustration 70, are you solving illustration 70? Kipala? You have done? Parila? Okay. 6720, right? Yeah, it's a very important question. Illustration 77. Illustration 77. Right? Illustration 77. What is that? In how many ways can the letters of the word table be arranged so that vowels always together and separated? Right? Vowels are all together or separated. Table, T-A-B-L-A. T-A-B-L-E. Right? Done. So vowels. How many vowels are there? Okay. The table, so that vowels are together. Right. This is A, E, right? Okay. Consonant T, B, L. T, B, L. So what's the question? Question is, that the vowels are always together. How many arrangements are possible? Right. So let's do one thing. Vowels kita ekaloge thakibo pare lage. So we'll just consider two vowels as one letter. Hobo? I mean, manta bhabi lou je A is as one letter, right? So considering vowels as one letter, etu mane just we'll consider one letter. Jodi if I consider one letter korisu, because we want to keep this one together. A hobo pare, it can be A also, but it should be together, right? So considering that is one letters and remaining letters are 3. So altogether 4 letters are there, right? So number of arrangement. Kiman hobo number of arrangement hole? Total how many letters? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So 4, P, 4. Done? But there is a but. But what? Kwa? Moi eta arrangement likhile, I'll write one arrangement, then you will understand. T, B, L. I can write like this. One arrangement could be like this. Hobo. T, B, L, A. Because vowels are together. But T, B, L, A also possible. Both are different arrangement. He karane, okol 4P4 kole ki hobo, no hobo. Vowels amongst themselves, vowels to be rearranged. Two vowels are there. Hiyotor majot rearrange how many ways you can do? 2 ways. You can write once A or you can write EA. So that should be multiplied by factorial 2. Gompala? First of all, to be combined kora, that's not a problem, right? But in importance for what? The vowel. Vowel kita tumi ekaloge kobat graded koise ekaloge. Kintu oda A koi thakile nohobo. So A with the help of A you will get some arrangement. With the help of E also you will have to get some arrangement. So you have to consider all arrangement together. So what is 4 factorial? It's 4 factorial into 2. 4 factorial mane kiman? 24 into 2. All together you will get all together you will get 48 arrangements. Okay, so there is second question. Then how many ways the vowels will be separated? How many ways vowels will be separated? Mane how many arrangements out of this? How many arrangements will be there where vowels will be separated? Mane vowels ekaloge na thake. Eta A thake kobat, eta E thake kobat. So how to calculate it? That's very simple. Here, first of all, without any restriction, equal arrangement. This whether vowels are together or not. Without any restriction, find the number of arrangement. Kiman hobo? 5 factorial. 5 letters are 5 factorial, right? 5 factorial. Tarpra, what arrangement you don't need? Good arrangement nalage. Tomake etu nalage. Where vowels are together, you don't need. Why? Because you need the arrangement where vowels are separated. So you have to subtract what? 48 arrangement. 5 factorial mane kiman? 120 minus 48. Whole? So it's 272. Yes. 72 arrangement will be such where vowels will be separated. Moi Monday quadratic পঢ়াম quadratic equation পঢ়াম তাৰপিছত মই কৈছো Wednesday লৈকে কৰিম বুলি কৈছো মই ক্লাছ so quadratic equation পঢ়াব লাগিব তাৰ ক্যালকুলাসটোৰ প্ৰথম কনসেপ্টটো পঢ়াম ফাৰ্স্ট কনসেপ্টটো ক্যালকুলাসৰ এইখিনি পঢ়াম so এতিয়া ঘৰত ৰাইট আজি প্ৰেক্টিস কৰা অলপ permutation combination question you practice at home হ'ব thank you